Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Pixelated Turtle, and this video is the final video in the three-part series where I sculpt texture and render out a cute coast scene. This final one will showcase how I set up and finally rendered out the scene in Blender. While I have mostly used all the basic settings without making any drastic change here, I should point out that to get the bloom effect, I did add a glare node in the compositor, so make sure to check that out if you have any confusions regarding that. If you like what you see and what I'm doing, do hit the like button as it helps a lot, subscribe to support me, and leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions. Enjoy the video. That's pretty much it for this one. I really hope that you enjoyed the whole series and were able to learn a thing or two from it. Thank you once again for watching and sticking around with me, and I'll see you again in the next one. Goodbye.